I'll be using USB connection from my speaker to my Mac Studio. For this video, I used about this much of volume. You can go to all the way up, but I don't usually listen music that loudly, so I just set up to here, like a little less than middle.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Oh, you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I didn't change any volume on speaker and computer, but as you can hear, sound is low on Bluetooth connection. I need to increase the volume on computer.
Okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
It seems sound quality is about the same when you connect speaker using USB or Bluetooth. Just need to adjust the volume when you set up the speaker. This video is for sound comparison only. For detail on speaker, please check out my other video for that. I hope this video helped you choosing the right speaker for you. Thank you for watching.